The Samsung Galaxy S24 FE is a noteworthy entry in Samsung's lineup, offering a balance of features and value, particularly for those looking for a flagship experience without the top-tier price. Here's a comprehensive review covering its key aspects. Design and build. The Galaxy S24 FE features a robust design, constructed with Gorilla Glass Victus Plus on the front and back, which provides solid scratch resistance. It has an IP68 rating for water and dust resistance, making it durable for everyday use. The phone weighs 230 grams, which is heavier than the standard Galaxy S24. Display. The display is a 6.4-inch AMOLED panel with a resolution of 1080 by 2340 pixels, offering vibrant colors and deep contrasts. While it boasts a 120 Hz refresh rate for smooth scrolling and animations, its peak brightness reaches 1900 nits, which is lower than the standard S24's 2600 nits. Performance. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, the Galaxy S24 FE performs admirably across various tasks, from gaming to multitasking. It comes with 8 GB of RAM and options for 120 GB or 256 GB of storage. Camera. The camera setup includes a 50-megapixel main sensor, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide, and an 8-megapixel telephoto lens. The camera system performs well in various conditions, although some features like object removal and image manipulation through AI tools. Battery life. Equipped with a 4,700 mAh battery, the Galaxy S24 FE offers decent longevity, lasting approximately 15 hours and 39 minutes of web browsing and about 8 hours of video streaming. It charges at a standard 25-watt wired and 15 watts wireless, which some users might find slower compared to competitors. Audio and haptics. The audio quality is solid, featuring dual speakers that deliver rich sound without distortion, even at high volumes. The haptic feedback is also well executed, enhancing the overall user experience. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE stands out as a solid mid-range phone, combining good design, performance, and features at a competitive price point. Thank you so much.